Business owners, what's up? My name is John Zambrana. I'm a video marketer, and today I'm going to answer a question that I get pretty often. Will video marketing actually help my business? Now, to me, the answer is always obvious. It's an astounding yes, 100% yes. You should be doing it already if you aren't. The way I approach video marketing is very modern, it's very giving, and just put simply, it works because you're doing it with well intentions. That's the point of video marketing, is getting people to understand your intentions as a business owner. If you wholeheartedly know that what you're offering them is going to help their life, financial situation, whatever it is you're selling, if you wholeheartedly know that you're gonna make their life better, then there's no reason video marketing should not help you. You need to make sure that you educate them to the best of your ability, whether that means budgeting for how to use your product, what to do in an emergency. I like doing examples. Let's do an example. Real estate agents. Put yourself in your customer's shoes and think for a minute. There's 50 million real estate agents I could choose. Why should they choose you? Of course, you want to state your intentions, but you want to do that throughout the videos. You don't want to just make one video of like, hey, I'm a good person. First of all, no one's going to listen to that. You want to state your intentions with giving them something that they can take to the next realtor. Hey, I heard that instead of buying a single family resident, I could potentially buy a duplex, rent out the next one. Maybe you could explain that to me? And if he can't, they'll come back to you. That's good. With all that being said, guys, I think a lot of business owners like to overcomplicate the process of video marketing and don't consider the endless possibilities of video marketing that there is. Think of Instagram stories, for example. They're gone in 24 hours. What better way to practice than a post that erased itself in 24 hours? What a great way to practice, right? Now keep in mind when you're creating these Instagram stories, you want to keep these two principles in mind. One, make sure that you're educating your customer. How many times have you said to yourself, oh, if this customer just called me with the information I needed, if they just filled out the form the certain way, I could help them a little bit more efficiently. What better chance to do that than to talk to a camera and get your customer to watch those videos? Now, you're probably asking, how am I gonna make tutorials? You're thinking about it the wrong way. Now, go to your Instagram app, swipe left, and you'll see that there's a camera there, right? Use that. Use that to quickly educate your customer on things that they need to know before calling you. This is about educating them so that they can trust you. And if you're going the Instagram story route, you haven't invested a single dollar yet. You're watching this video for free, you're getting these tips for free, and your Instagram app is 100% free. So tell me, what is the loss here? How is this not gonna help your business? It is 100% going to help you as long as you keep these two principles in mind. One, educate your customer, make sure they know how to interact with your business. What do they need? What if something goes wrong? How are you gonna help them, right? Number two, make it for your ideal customer. I'm sitting here looking into a camera because I know that I'm going to be talking to a lot of entrepreneurs who are into self-development, who are into investing in courses, who are into investing in seminars, right? They don't mind listening to someone talk about business because they love it. That's what their life is about. But do you think I'm going to help a 18-year-old girl who is looking for makeup tutorials? Probably not. No. I should get on TikTok if I'm gonna do that. I should get on Snapchat if I'm gonna do that. Do you see what I mean? Make your content for who you are trying to reach. My mission is to help entrepreneurs, so I'm going to make my content for entrepreneurs. Now guys, I know that these are very general, very broad topics that I'm covering here, but that is because it is not that hard. Trust me. Keep in mind these two principles. Educate your customer and who is your customer, and you need to tailor your content for who it is. But you can never go wrong with Instagram stories. They're a great way to get the rust off. Make sure you're practicing every single day and you're educating your customer along the way. What better way to do that? And keep in mind, you're paying $0 for this video, which is going to give you tips. You're paying $0 for your Instagram app. So far, you've invested $0. So your ROI is gonna be pretty damn high there. So when people ask me, will video marketing help my business? My answer is always, as long as your intentions are right. Guys, it's been a pleasure talking to you. Leave me a comment down below with the industry you're in. And if you need any help coming up with video topic ideas, I'll make sure to make a video just for your industry. Trust me, I will. I want to start pumping out content like crazy. I want to make sure I help as many entrepreneurs and business owners who have the same wholeheartedness that I do and want to help their customers' lives, because that means that I took part in that, and that's what makes my life more fulfilling. So guys, again, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.